Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In this video, I'll guide you through the simple process of resetting your Mercusys Wi-Fi range extender to its factory default settings. Whether you're experiencing connectivity issues or just want a clean start, a reset can resolve most problems. Stay tuned as we walk through the steps together. Let's get started. Resetting the Mercusys Range Extender is necessary when you're facing connectivity issues, forgotten login credentials, or need to start fresh with a new setup. A reset restores the device to its factory default settings, allowing you to reconfigure it from scratch and resolve any performance or connection problems effectively. The first thing you'll need to do is find the reset button on your Mercusys Range Extender. It's typically a small pinhole located either on the side or bottom of the device, marked Reset. Use a paperclip or a similar pointed tool to press it. After locating the reset button, take a paper clip or pin and press it down firmly for around 5 to 10 seconds. Continue holding the button until you notice the power LED light starts blinking. This indicates that the reset process has begun, and the extender is restoring its factory settings. Once you release the reset button, the extender will initiate a reboot sequence. During this time, you'll observe the LED lights blinking as the device works to restore its factory settings. Please allow about 1 to 2 minutes for this process to complete, and be patient while it resets. Once the extender has been reset, it will return to its default settings. You'll need to set it up again, just like when you first got it. You can either use the WPS method or go through the web-based setup by connecting to the default Mercusys_EXT network and accessing the setup page at mwlogin.net. To confirm that the reset was successful, take a moment to check the list of available Wi-Fi networks on your device. You should see the default network name Mercusys_EXT displayed. This indicates that the extender has successfully reverted to its factory default settings and is ready for setup.